Aaron needs a job. Pronunciation lesson. The long I sound. Okay, let's rock right along here and talk about our new sound that we will be focusing on for this unit, which is the long I sound as in 5 and Y. This is a nice, easy sound for you to work on. It sounds just like the name of this letter. So, with no further ado, let's jump right in and compare the long I sound from this unit with a long A sound that you studied previously. Go ahead and just relax as you listen to the pronunciation of each of these words in the list below. Ace, ice. Raid, ride. Lake, like. Fair, fire. Kate, kite. Braid, bride. Trail, trial. Wait, white. Rate, right. Tame, time. Flay, fly. Nay, nigh. Hey, high. Relay, rely. Great. Now go back and repeat each of the words with me after I say them. You can pause the recording if you need to so that you can repeat it as many times as you want to. Try to imitate the sounds as closely as possible. Ace, ice. Raid, ride. Lake, like. Fair, fire. Kate, kite. Braid, bride. Trail, trial. Wait, white. Rate, right. Tame, time. Flay, fillet. Fly. Nay, nigh. Hey, high. Relay, rely. Now, say the word before I do, and then repeat it again after you hear it. After you say it the first time, listen to the pronunciation. The second time I say it, try to imitate the sound even more closely. In this manner, you will gradually improve your pronunciation and reduce your accent. Ace, ice. raid, ride, lake, like, fair, fire, Kate, kite, braid, bride, trail, trial, wait, white, rate, right, tame, time, flay, fly, nay, nigh, hay, high, relay, rely. Awesome. Now, I'm going to say one word from each line. Listen carefully and decide if I'm pronouncing the word with a long A sound or the word with a long I sound. Ace, ride, like, fair, kite, bride, trial, white, rate, time, flay, nay, high, rely. Fantastic. Now check your answer in the teacher's key. Do it several more times as needed until you really nail this down and can distinguish the sounds.